Morning everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 5 verse 15 to 17. And Mahalalel lived 60 and 5 years and begot Jared. And Mahalalel lived after he begot Jared 830 years and he begot sons and daughters. All the days of Mahalalel were 890 and 5 years and he died. So Mahalalel is actually the third generation of Seth. So what we see here is a pattern also known as generational discipleship. What their father did, the sons and daughters imitate up to their grandchildren. So it became their culture and they call upon the name of the Lord and it they their habit and it continues up to their generation. Meaning whatever you do, your your child will imitate you. Whatever happen, just like them in various situations, they call upon the name of the Lord and their children sees that and they imitate you. Okay? And that is generational discipleship, meaning a generation that serve God.